That's a great question, Drippy. Many of our pipes in our system are reaching the end of their useful life. We actually proactively replace many of the pipes across our distribution system, including cast iron and galvanized pipes, which are some of the worst in our system. In planning, we select over 30,000 feet of main to be replaced in preparedness efforts each year.
So this is our ductile iron pipe. This is what we keep in inventory. At any given moment, we probably have a couple thousand feet of 6-inch DI pipe and a couple thousand feet of 8-inch DI pipe, because that's the majority of what our replacement is. We keep several hundred feet of other dimensions as well. And as you can see, when I say we have more inventory on hand than most water suppliers in the Northwest, I'm not lying.